That's all 4323, contact open center 127.45 today.
4323, good day.
United 60 Heavy, contact open center 134.15 today.
13415, United 60, good day.
United 1048 Heavy, cleared direct forecast.
Clear direct Orca, United 1048 Heavy.
2761, contact open center 119.75 today.
And Center American 2761, we had a bird strike windshield, and we will be returning to San Francisco.
American 2761, Roger. And they said the San Francisco Airport via heading right turn heading 140, maintain 1000.
Right turn heading 140, 1000, American 2761.
American 2761, and are you applying any assistance or any damage to the aircraft that you know of?
Affirmative, there is damage, it's a cracked windshield.
American 2761, Roger.
Departure United 853, heavy passing 1,500 for 3,000.
That was blocked American 2761, turn right heading 180, and confirm you have information hotel show. United 853, heavy north of departure with a contact, you accept on maintain flight level 190, stay altitude.
Common maintain at flight level 190, passing 2,300, United 853 heavy.
American 2761, turn right heading 180.
Right 180, and can we get 10,000 for American 2761?
American 2761, descend and maintain 10,000.
10,000, American 2761.
United 877 heavy, contact open center 134.15 today.
3415, United 877.
United 1112, 1400, climbing via the 6.
United 1112, north of departure with a contact. United 2046, contact open center 119.75 today.
1975, United 2046, good day.
American 2761, do you know when you had stopped the bird strike?
Yeah, we got the bird strike at approximately 1,000 feet in the climb off American 2761.
American 2761, Roger. American 2761, are you declaring an emergency?
Negative at this time, American 2761.
American 2761, Roger. Let me know if something changes.
Roger.
American 2761, do you know what gate you'll be going to?
Negative, American 2761.
American 2761, Roger. Contact NorCal approach 133.905, and just let them know what rate is making contact.
395, American 2761. And it's an American 2761 as 110,000.
American 2761 NorCal approach, San Francisco altimeter 299er hotel. Current, expect an ILS to 28 left, descend and maintain 9,000.
Got a 9,000, looks like the ILS 28 left, American 2761, and we'll be declaring emergency.
American 2761, Roger. American 2761, hold on board and fuel remaining when you get a chance.
That's approximately 5 hours of fuel, and souls on board is 137, American 2761.
American 2761, Roger. American 2761, when able, clear direct to Roxy, and Roxy join the 28 left localizer.
Enable Roxy and join 28 left localizer, American 2761.
FedEx 1800 heavy, descend and maintain 4,000.
Down to 4,000, FedEx 1800 heavy.
American 2035, descend and maintain 4,000.
710 4,000, American 2035.
Exit at 116, reduce speed to 210, then descend and maintain 10,000.
Alright, we'll slow down to 210, then descend to maintain 10,000, exact jet 116.
And just confirm that 6 was rock me for American, for 28 left from American 2761.
American 2761, that is correct. Direct to Rockme for the 28 left localizer, join that there, descend and maintain 7,000.
That's 2,000,
Jet 116 flighting 210, vectors first sequence, descend and maintain 9,000.
Heading 210, descend and maintain 9,000, exit jet 116.
American 2761, descend and maintain 6,000.
Yeah, 6,000, American 2761.
Next Jet 116, on your present heading, join the 28 left localizer, descend and maintain 7,000.
Present heading, join the localizer, exit jet 116.
American 2761, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000, American 2761.
And American 2761, did you ever get a gate number?
Negative. We'll have to get that one off the ground, American 2761.
Roger.
We're running to our procedures here.
That's at 116, reduce speed of 180, then descend and maintain 6,000.
Alright, slow to 180 and then descend to maintain 6,000, exit jet 116.
American 2761, descend and maintain 3,000.
3,000, American 2761.
Exit jet 116, need a little more space to find an emergency aircraft. Flighting of 210, vectors for sequencing, maintain 6,000.
Fly heading 210 and we'll maintain 6,000, exit jet 116.
And American 2761 is established inbound.
American 2761, 7 from due yet, exit ILS 28 left approach.
Cleared ILS 28 left, American 2761.
Exit jet 116, turn right, heading of 320, descend and maintain 4,000.
Right heading 320, descend to maintain 4,000, exit jet 116.
American 2761, connect San Francisco Tower 120.5.
20.5, American 2761. Osaka Tower, American 2761 is established final 28 left.
American 2761, San Francisco Tower, wind 2408, runway 28 left, cleared to land.
28 left, clear to land, American 2761.
And American 2761, do you just plan on exiting and heading to the gate when you land?
Affirmative, American 2761.
Roger.
Tower, exit jet 116, ILS 28 left.
Exit 116, San Francisco Tower, wind 250 at 7, runway 28 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 28 left, exit jet 116.
Exit jet 116, actually cancel the landing clearance, runway 28 left, continue.
We'll continue, exit jet 28 left. We'll continue for 28 left, exit jet 116.
43, proceed on to runway 28 left, cross runway 28, correction, cross runway 1 right and runway 1 left.
Runway 28 left, cross 1 right, cross 1 left,